What's up, everyone? Welcome back. I'm Bill with Cali Moto TV, also with Cali Track Days. We are on the MT-09. We're gonna head out on track. So if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. But I gotta throw some petro in this real quick. It's already yelling for gas. So we'll throw a little bit of gas. Brian's been running this thing. So we're going to be running out with this guy. He's in the C group. Now we typically, unfortunately, how our schedule is laid out and the riders that we generally have, we don't have room to move people around. But today we've got a little light day, so I'm going to evaluate this gentleman, make sure he's good to go up into the B group. We just want to make sure he's good and safe. So I'm going to run with him and do a quick eval and just make sure he's safe for the B group. But let's power fill this thing up real quick. And out on track we go. All right. So, if you guys don't follow the channel, make sure you follow the channel. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. Leave us a comment down below. This thing's so angry. So, what we're going to do... Oh, he's looking up. I hope it's not raining. We've had some drizzles. Let's hope it's not drizzling. So basically what I'm going to do is let him run out for a couple sessions, and I'll follow him and we'll go from there. So chat with him real quick. So I'm just gonna follow you for a couple laps, and then we'll let you finish up with this session, and then we'll move you up into the B, okay?
Okay,
all right, so go ahead and I'll follow you out. God. So we don't allow anybody instructors with mirrors, so this way it gives me a good view. Danny with the D store, the Danny C store down in San Francisco. Thanks for coming out, Danny. This thing's so angry. It's so angry. Why are you so angry, MT-09? So we are finally on the MT-09. MT-09 has Michelin Road 5s. We got our pickle flag. Pickle flag means one thing only. We have fluid on track, so it looks like it's rained a little bit out here, so we're gonna take it a little bit easy. We got our Cali photography out. We'll have to get our picture in for that. We're gonna take it easy. So we're gonna work with this guy. We need to get his elbow out more, right? He's getting off the bike, so that's good. But let's work with this elbow, right? Where fluid's on track, huh? There's a little slow go there. So this track's ginormous, 3 miles. So we might at times get rain on one side of the track, but not rain on the other side of the track. But I do see some drizzles on the visor. So this guy requested to be put in the B group, so we want to evaluate, make sure he's got speed and everything to be in the B group. But, well, I got him. Let's work on him. Let's work on that elbow. Let's work on that. He's got the shoulder down, but you see how he's got his elbow tucked in. We're going to get that elbow out. Elbow out, elbow out. So I want to emphasize to him, we want to get elbows out, right? Elbows out, elbows out, elbows out. So let's see if he picked that up. Elbows out, right? So he's got it a little bit better, but we want to get that elbow out a little bit more. See, he's got the shoulder out, the elbows just needs a little bit more, but you can tell he's already picking it up. He's already picking up the pace. He's keeping the corners much tighter. And I'm a big... We gotta get rear sets on this thing. My feet are dragging. My feet are dragging. My feet are dragging. So he's got the pace. I'm happy with the pace, right? And he's getting the elbows out a little bit more. Foot drag. Elbow out, come on. He's got the shoulder down, he's there, right? All right, so I'm gonna pull him in and talk to him about it. So we'll get him lined up. Get past. Get his elbow out, right? I want to emphasize to him, elbow out. Let's talk to him, elbow out, right? Elbow out, that's what we want. To go back and grab that guy. All right, elbows out, right? Get your elbow out. You got your shoulder good, right? So when you're in the corner, you've got your shoulder in, but your elbow's up here. Get your elbow out, right? Put your kickstand down. Get off. Nope, no. Get, like, lean up. So you're doing this, okay? This is gonna feel so much better, okay? So knee out, right? Grabbing in there. Everything's pointing towards this way, right? You pull this in, now you've shifted the body weight, right? See this? So we want to make sure this gets out a little bit more, okay? I gotta go and grab that guy real quick, but you're good. Go ahead and run this session, then I'll move you in the next B group. You got pace enough, but try to get that elbow out. Try to emphasize it a little bit more, okay? Okay, yeah, I was making sure like the head was not far enough. Everything was good, but and so I'm doing the vlog on it, so you'll be able to see it, and you're not tense or anything. You just got it tucked in, so you're rolling your body this way. Get it a little bit more leveled out. Come see me at registration at lunch or at after the session. I'll get you moved, okay? All right, cool. All right, so that was good. Get him moved, and I'm gonna get out on a rescue mission. I think I'm gonna have to do a rescue mission. Another MT-09. I wonder if we have a lot of MT-09s and FC-07s coming out. Oh, there he is. So he made it in. So we'll head back out and just we'll do a toodles, but he made it in, so that's nice. All right, so let's go back out. We got some heat in the tires. Trying to get over for the shot. You'll see I've got the bike up pretty well on the meat of the tires. You'll see how far I'm hanging off that thing. So I gotta hang so far off because I've got to get weight over, because I can't weight the pegs because the pegs are so low. It's unfortunate. And pegs, there's only like 2 companies that makes pegs for this thing, so, and they're expensive. So Vortex, if you're listening, can you make some pegs for this thing? MT-09. But so you'll see in that photo that I'm kind of pretty far off to keep the weight off the pegs, obviously, because I can't be on the pegs because I'll be scraping them. Scraper. So how's your Monday? We have 8 more Mondays. If you've not been out to the track, come on out. This is a blast. What better way to spend your Monday with Cali track days? Right here at Thunderhill or Button Willow. LA guys, April 29th is getting ready to sell out. April 29th, we got stock showing. B group's about to sell out. Button Willow, we sell out pretty quick, especially in these mid-time. Let's see what this thing's got. Checker flag. Woo! This thing is so fun. All right, let's see what this picture's got for us. What's up, Tex? I look ridiculous on this thing because I'm so big. I should get out here on the R3. I don't really like the R3 on this track, personally. I didn't mind it at Button Willow, but here it just didn't do it for me. I'll take my BMW though. I'm trying to debate, do I go out another run? Do I go out another time? Let's do this. Let's do this, guys. Let's do one more video. If you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Because our final video for the day, I'm gonna head out on the B group, Bravo, on the Sriracha. Let's do the B group on the Sriracha and run that thing and see how we do on that. Woo. We got our checkered flag. Woo, yeah. This thing is so annoyingly loud. So annoying. But a blast to ride, We're at our checkered, hand up. So let's do one more video for the day. One more video. If you're not hitting the subscribe button, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. Smash that like button. Leave me a comment. Like, is it, you know, anything, man. I like to interact with you guys. We're very active on the comments, so shoot me a comment, shoot me some criticism. Let me know what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong. I know I'm doing a lot right, or I mean a lot wrong. I'm doing a lot wrong, man. But all right, so let's go tuck this MT away for the night. Let's head out on Sriracha. So generally, I ride the BMW S1000 in the afternoon. And I ride the BMW S1000 in the afternoon because in the morning I usually ride the Sriracha bike. And when I ride the Sriracha bike on the bike in the morning, it doesn't have any traction control. So what happens is, usually when I ride the BMW and I go to the Gixxer, I'm relying on the traction control. So what ends up happening is I tend to, you know, get a little squirrely whirly. So, but smash that like button, guys. Thanks for subscribing. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're going to be out on the Sriracha. We'll probably see you next week with that video. But thanks again. We'll see you next video. Make sure you hit that subscribe and like button. Till next time.